welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Suniti. I'm so glad that you're here. I know it's been a while. I haven't posted any video, but never mind, I'm back. I was so busy with my classes, my exams. That's the reason I was unable to, upload the long format video, but I was active on shorts. So today I thought why not just share a Tira haul. And because अभी टीरा का सेल था and मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग की है. Some I got from like online, some I got from the store itself. So there's a lot of products. So this video is going to be a little long, so please stay tuned for it. Before moving, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. So mostly I've shopped makeup only. So I've also bought some luxury products and also some drugstore products. So this is the combination of drugstore and the high-end products. So yes, you can choose accordingly. So let's just start strong with the high-end foundation. So I have got 3 foundations. So this you can count on drugstore, but these 2 are high-end. So yeah, so the first foundation I got is from She Glam. I genuinely love because I own so many products from She Glam by now, and I genuinely love their products so much. So I thought why not just invest on their foundation. I'll show you how premium. By the way, I'll pop up all the price here. So this is the She Glam Skin Finite Foundation. And first of all, can we appreciate the packaging? Look at that. It comes with this paper cloth, so it doesn't get dirty. So I really love the packaging. The packaging is so premium. It looks so luxe for the price, guys. The logo, the feel, everything is She Glam, and here the shade. So I am the shade Nude. This is a full coverage foundation, by the way. This gives a very healthy, hydrated finish and it doesn't feel cakey. You want to test on Indian skin. This is the medium buildable coverage. So if you want like natural glam every day, one layer is enough for you. It's very dewy, not matte. So yeah, you can choose according to your skin type. This is perfect for dry, normal and even combination skin. So you guys can choose. Also, let me know in the comment section if you want a full wear test or comparison with other affordable foundations. So you can tell me in the comments. So moving to the next foundation I have bought from Tear. ये मुझे कब से चाहिए था, like from so long, and my shade was not available ना कहीं online में और ना offline में. So after I think 1 year I finally got this. Look at that packaging. I just so in love with this foundation. This foundation is something that you need this wedding season because this is a full coverage foundation. So when you apply this, you don't need any concealer, any color corrector. If you have like a very dark circles, then you might need to do the color correction. Other than that, this foundation does all the job, like the color correction, the everything. I'm in the shade 27N Camel. Okay, so one more tip, if you're planning to buy this foundation, make sure you go for one shade lighter because this does get oxidized. So yes, other than that, this foundation works amazing. Right now I'm wearing the Tear foundation and look at that seamless dewy finish. Can you see I've not used any concealer and still it doesn't need any concealer or color correction. So yeah, I love this foundation. So this is the best version. The next foundation is from Maybelline. Since the day it was launched, I was eyeing on this product and I got this. So this is their Super Stay 30 Hours UV Matte Foundation, and this has SPF 16 and I'm in the shade 128. This is really a solid drugstore foundation. It feels light as air yet gives medium to buildable coverage. So you can go natural or a bit more glam. So the finish is beautiful. It gives a luminous matte finish. So Maybelline claims that it stays up to 30 hours and it's pretty good at resisting sweat and transfer. But if you ask me, this gets fade after like 8 to 12 hours, like according to me. So I felt like this doesn't stay for up to like 30 hours. You can just touch up. But then I have no issue with touching up my foundation, so it's not a big deal for me. So one thing to watch, this oxidize a bit. Shade may deepen after applying, so you guys can choose that way. So I'll tell you the pros and the cons. So the pros are, so this is the lightweight feel, buildable coverage, good finish, not feels like cakey. And when you talk about the cons, may not last truly 30 hours for everyone. Shade match can be a little tricky because of the oxidation, but overall this is a very good drugstore foundation. You can totally get your hands on this, nothing wrong in this foundation. Then I have got the eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. I love Swiss Beauty products. I'm a big fan of Swiss Beauty products. So I have got their eyeshadow palette, which is their 21 eyeshadow palette, which is known as Major 1. I just love the packaging. It's so good. It's not cheap. Just have a look. So pretty. I just open it. Best part, it comes with this mirror, and look at that shades. It has all sort of shades. Look at that. And I've used this palette, and all the shades are super pigmented. With this price point, if you're getting this eyeshadow palette, I don't think so you need to miss on this. So this is a perfect eyeshadow palette if you are like a beginner also, and if you want to invest on a good eyeshadow palette, then I think you should go on to this eyeshadow palette because it has like all sort of shades, warm tone, cool tone. So this is going to sort all your ideas. So you can try on this. Okay, so moving to the next product. So if you know me, I am obsessed with tints, lip oils, so I'm talking about the tints. So basically, so I bought two products from Etude House. One is the tint, the lip and cheek tint, and one is the lip oil. Etude sells so beautiful products. I just love Etude products, and I recently got my hands on this. So let's just see. So I was already using the Etude water tint. This is in the shade, I think, strawberry, and I got the another one, and this is in the shade, I think this is in the shade pomegranate 8, I guess. And I just love this product. Well, let's look at the packaging. So cute. So this is the Etude lip oil. This is in the shade 01 Real Cherry. I love this so much. This, guys, you can wear this lip oil on your bare face and it still looks so good, so attractive. Went to a store like Tira store. मतलब मुझे सिर्फ ये लेना था. I wanted to get the Teardrop foundation and this tint. The salesman insists to try this, and I was like, okay, let's just give it a try. As soon as I applied on my lips, it just made my look so good. Like, I have no words. It has instantly changed my whole look. So this is, I love it. I'll show you the swatch. It looks very good, and this two tint are my absolute favorite. So and the next products I got from She Glam. I love She Glam product. So I genuinely love their blushes. जब ये launch हुआ था, so I have got, which is in the shade Love Cake. This is the shade Love Cake. I love this blush so much. The formula, the texture is so buttery. It just glides on your skin like a butter, and it doesn't feel even heavy. So I thought, why not just invest on more shades. So I've got two more shades. One in the shade Swipe Right and one in the shade Rose Ritual. So the Rose Ritual shade is on to the, you know, coral kind of a shade, and whereas when you talk about the Swipe Right, this is onto the red tone shade. Then I thought, why not just invest on a highlighter, because I usually not a fan of highlighter, but I thought, why not just get it from She Glam only. So I've got their highlighter also. This is in the shade Tea Cake. It is so pigmented. Look at that. I've not applied highlighter yet, but I'll show you guys just a little. And look at that. instant highlight कर दिया उसने मेरे nose को. And look at that. It looks so dewy. And also these are very affordable, so if you want to invest on Shigem products, you can blindly trust their products. So they are just so good. So the next product is a lip gloss. So I've got two lip glosses from two different brands. So one is from the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and the another one is from another one is from the Mars Cosmetics. This is their, I don't know, Mars Cosmetics lip gloss. Okay, so for me, this lip gloss is a little bit expensive because I think 600 for a lip gloss is too much for me. But I thought, why not just give it a try, because I just love the shade. When I saw this, I was like, I have to get on this because this shade looks very good. This is it. Okay, so by the way, this is in the shade Petal 005, and when I was planning to buy this, it was out of stock for like up to so many months. So ऐसे ही I was scrolling through Tira. This was in stock, so I thought, why not just give it a try. So I've got this, and look at that. It is that perfect, this gives such a Barbie lips. I just love that so much. So this is their cinematic lip gloss, I guess. I don't know the name. First look at the packaging. So luxe, right? This is in the shade 01 Noor. I love this shade. Same as the Maybelline. ये भी काफी time से out of stock था. Look at that. It is that perfect nude, and the best part about this lip gloss, this doesn't transfer at all. Like ये बिल्कुल भी transfer नहीं होता, and this also gives a very good gloss on your lips. So yeah, I think you should take this because this is a very, and also बहुत ज़्यादा long lasting है. And if you are someone like me who eats a lot, who drinks a lot, and don't want their lipstick to get fade off, then you should definitely check out this because I love this so much, and I think you will also love it. On to the next product, I have got Insight Airbrush Concealer. Okay, मैंने तो let me just be clear about this. मैंने तो इसको इसके पैकेजिंग के लिए ही खरीदा है because can you see the packaging? It has a similar packaging like the Maybelline, Age Rewind Concealer. So I thought, why not just give it a try? Let's see how does this works. And let me, to my surprise, this works so good. This is my perfect shade. So this is in the shade 2 Almond Dream, and this is my perfect shade, and I love the coverage. This is a normal concealer. You can totally get your hands on this. But the only thing I have noticed in this concealer is मैंने उसको अभी तक सिर्फ एक ही बार यूज़ किया है. When I received this, I've used it तभी. But I don't know ये इतना खाली का क्यों है this much. I have no idea. I don't know the logic behind this, but I don't know. Other than that, this is a good foundation. If you're looking for an affordable foundation under 300, so I think you should check this out because this works very well. So the next product I got from Mars Cosmetics again. So I've got their liquid eyeshadow and their the viral gripping primer. I wanted to try this from so freaking long, and I thought, why not just utilize the sale. So I bought this. Look at that, the primer. It is a good primer. You can use it, but it doesn't minimize my pore as such. It is a good gripping primer. If you're looking for a good gripping primer, you can totally go on to this. And if you love liquid eyeshadows, then you should definitely check this eyeshadow from Mars Cosmetics. They have many shades in this. In the shade Moon Glow 01, I have applied this shade. It is a perfect, it is that perfect silver shade. Look at that. Yes, this both are actually worth your pennies. So totally consider this while buying Mars products. So this. One more thing I want to add, I've got the Swiss Beauty Natural Makeup Fixer for free. Like मैंने उनका eyeshadow palette लिया था, so I've got this mini makeup fixer for free. This is also very good. So the next products are so many products. So I've got so many lip liners. Look at that. Some are from Swiss Beauty, some are from Mars, and the one I got is from Miss Claire. So I love lip liners, and Mars and Swiss Beauty lip liners are so good and so affordable. You can literally count on their lip liners. And I've also really wanted to check Miss Claire lip liner, so I've also got that lip liner. So I'll tell you the shade. So from Swiss Beauty, I've gotten the shade Choco Nude 03. From Mars Cosmetic, I've got 10 Exotic Brown. From Mars again, 08 Nude Spell. From Mars again, 12 Brown Mocha. This is the Cool Tone Brown lip liner. From Mars again, I've got the shade 14 Choco Butter. This is the perfect warm tone lip liner if you want. Then from Mars again, 08 Nude Spell. So this is all the lip liners I've got. All of them are super pigmented, and it does last long a bit. I would not say it lasts for like 5 to 6 hours, but it does last for about 2 to 3 hours. But you guys can touch up, right? So it's not a big deal. The last product, but definitely not the least. So I've got the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water in Oil all in one. So I was already using the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, which is this one, and I thought why not just upgrade onto this one. So I've got this, and I've not used it yet. I can say that Garnier Micellar Waters are bomb. Like it just, it just wipes your makeup so nicely. I think if you want to invest on a good micellar water, please do check out. You can choose either of this. So we have come towards the end of the video. So I know this video is a little long. I have shared everything whatever I have brought from Tira. This is the makeup recommendation. So if you want to see the full review of all the products which I have shown, you can check on my shorts, and also I'll be uploading it on my Instagram reel. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. So here's my Insta handle, so make sure you follow me. And if you enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. And also don't forget to drop your comments and let me know that what video you want to see next. So accordingly, I'll do it for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.